I'd like to know what you think is the best OSINT fundamentals training. There is so much out there, but what is a good start? Good question.
Yeah, well, and that is a good question because there is a lot of people out there. First of all, it has to do with time, budget, and location. There are many, let's say, good online courses as well as in-person courses. And I think especially when you get started, and let's say you have never followed any training, I would just get started by following, let's say, the industry influencer like folks, the people that post techniques, talk about tools, write blogs, because then you can get started for free. You can get started on the Bellingcat blog. You can get started on the ShadowDragon blog, maybe the Blackdot blog, maybe my personal blog. Those are perfect starting points to get a good grasp of, hey, what does open source intelligence have to offer? And based upon that, you can choose to follow, let's say, a paid for course depending on your budget. All I could say is do some vetting on who you're going to send your money to, because there's also sketchy folks out there that sell OSINT training that's not always, let's say, of high quality or that you are protected well as a customer.